Sorry, I'm David from TPass. I want to talk about Repair Cafe, your local Repair Cafe. I don't know if you've been to one yet. I'm here today in Penarth, organised by Repair Cafe Wales, and there's some wonderful stuff in there. There's about 40 odd people in there. I didn't want to film in there, but they're doing things like bike repairs, PCs, jewellery, tools, somebody trying to repair a Dyson. Yeah, some small toys as well. I think I saw one back home, and a lovely sewing area as well. Someone was just doing some sewing repairs. So yeah, Repair Cafes. If there should be one in your area, if there's not, why not get in touch with Repair Cafe Wales? Hold it up. So get in touch with them and maybe organise one for your area. Okay. I think they're a wonderful idea. There's lots of things getting fixed there. As I say, there's laptops and tools and things. A couple of bikes being queued up ready for a busy bike repairman. Great.